Hey, whew, the long-awaited Maiden, my SIG Cadet EP20 kit that I built. I did everything this morning, set the control rods up, got plenty of throws. There's left. Let's look at this right. Up, down, up, down.
Trim center.
Alright, looks like we're good. Ailerons! Right, left. Alright. The only bad thing about today is I have winds blowing up to in the teens, 10, 5 to 10, coming from Tuco. Tuco's in charge of the wind over there. Flying it with the radio master. Kind of nervous. Alright, it's just a plane. It should fly well. CG well. Okay, let's get her up. Well, slow her down. She feels like she's getting beaten in the wind pretty bad, man. Huh. I just wish it wasn't a windy day. Whoa. Man, I just about lost orientation. She's diving. Better. Mucho better. In fact, when I get her on this downwind, this crosswind leg right here, it's pretty gusty up there too, so that's the windiest spot when the wind's blowing from the west like this. I'm ditching my glasses. I should have brought my other glasses. Well, so far I'd say it's flying nice. I think my CG's good. It balanced out. I went with the book's recommendation. I didn't know anything else. I didn't have to add any weight. More up. Wow, it's hard to tell. It's hard to see those colors when they're so far away. It'll fly slow. Let's get it in close. Range check's good. Because I forgot how to range check the radio master. So it's good. That was dangerous. I got a co-pilot. Or wingman. Wing lady. It's a wing lady. Tower buzz. Kind of reminds me of a Mustang. The way it looks, the way it flies. I don't really know any other trim that I need because it's too gusty. Let's see if we can get a landing in. There we go, that wasn't bad. Whew. I wonder if I got the landing in. You know what we got to do? I guess we just got to do it again. Handles his ground well. Take off into the wind, sort of, kind of. And let's get another landing in. I think I'm going to like it. Flying with a 2200 zippy compact. We're going to stall. We were heading for Stallsville. I've been to Stallsville. I don't like it. Alright, let's bring her in the runway. Wind's blowing right off my back. I'm trying to land it right in front of me. Let's let her plop down. Taxi's pretty well. Wind's trying to blow it over. Let's get another landing in. Whoa. I lost orientation. And the wind's just beating it up, man. No gyro. I think something's wrong with my rudder. Yep, I got something wrong with my rudder. Yep, shoot. Alright. Bring around. Alright, this lander. Got something wrong with my rudder. Ooh. Ooh. Something happened to my rudder. Lost the rudder. I know what happened. Shoot, I forgot to put a something on the, I bet the clevis came unsnapped. Came unsnapped on my rudder. No? Huh. What happened? Oh, it must have pulled out. My easy connector came loose. Didn't hurt it any. Good as new. But yeah, look at us flying with that rudder like that, man. Shoo! And this gusty wind. We'll take it. Everything's good. Everything looks good. Easy fix, easy fix. Wow. That's one thing bad about easy connectors. So that's probably all that hot rodding around on the rough grass. Ugh. All that hot rodding around on the rough grass, and I went ahead and pulled the control horn for the rudder out of the easy clasp. But there you go. I'd say it went well. It handled well. I mean, the wind's, it's not a good wind plane. I can tell that just by that flight there. But it did all right. It's real light. Goodness sakes, man, it's so light. It's a light flyer. Everything held up well. No damage. I might have bent that just a little bit, but it's good. It didn't break. Oh boy. See, stupid. Always got to do stupid. Then I got this. Pull this out.
Telemetry lost.
And I stick the so the ESC doesn't fall inside the fuse. I got a little piece of Velcro on it to hold it in there. And I'm gonna put it on the ground so it doesn't blow away. Shut my radio off. Well, 58%, so that's pretty good. I don't know how long I flew because I couldn't remember how to reset my timer. Yeah, I got a timer. But there you have her, man. I think she flew great. Hot rodding on the ground, made that slip. I can fix that. Just gotta take the wing off and readjust that, and maybe put some more sealant on it. Let's see what. There you have her. The EP20 kit Maiden. It went great until I like a dummy, man. I should know when the wheel is attached to the rudder, if it's not steering right, there's probably something wrong with the rudder. I got something going on here too. What happened here? Oh, nothing. Oh, it popped out. It popped out. Oh, no wonder why I was having such a good time, man. My elevator popped out of the clevis too. Oh well. I got to work on that. Probably when it cartwheeled, it hit it and popped it out. But no brakes or anything. And I'll put the whole video on there. The Maiden part went great, man. It was the dumb to taxi it around like a maniac and then try to take it off again. It's blowing pretty good. It's blowing over 10, that's for sure. You can see that windsock. That's like an 11 knot windsock, and it's out, so it's erect. So you know we got winds, crosswinds, but the Maiden went well. I really like how it looks. I tried to clean it up a little bit. Well, I'm gonna fix my clevises, drink some water, and then I may or may not fly the T-33. I don't know in these winds because I'd have to chuck it towards those trees, but we'll see. Thanks for watching. There's my cow. It came out all right. I think it would have looked better with just the green longitude stripes, but I did a little checkerboard. It's not quite perfect checkerboard, but I used the tape I used was Ace Hardware Delicate. I did not use baby powder, and I shot both colors the same day. I shot the green on the yellow probably after 2 hours is all, and I didn't pull up a lick of yellow with that Ace Hardware. They call it the Delicate paint tape. There you go, high-tech servos. My motor is the Value Hobby equivalent to the E-Flight 480, only it's supposed to have more power. I didn't really go vertical or anything with it in this wind. I basically was just, it was a Maiden. I was just trying to get the, I was doing a lot of trimming. Not a lot, I was trimming the elevator. And, I can say she flies great, man. Again, on a non-windy day, it's going to be a nice, fun plane to fly. I might add just a tick of weight in the nose. I mean, it dipped down from the recommended place for CG was that, you can see the wing spar. There's the fourth bar back from the leading edge of the wing. That's where the CG is supposed to go, give or take off of that. That's in the center of the range. And it was leaning forward. There you have her, man. I think it was a great Maiden. The second flight wasn't so good, but I didn't have a rudder. And my rudder was at that bend right there, trying to turn right. So and in these gusts, I think I did well to get it down without a whole lot of damage. Should have listened to Tuco. Tuco said, "Don't take it up again." Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. This is Jeff, and Jeff in the sun. Tuco in the shade. We're having fun here in Lower Alabama, baby. We had the fly-in the other day. It was Saturday, our fly-in. But I was up at the Birmingham RC Association Incorporated, Fundsville, up there in Morris, Alabama, up north, having a blast with everybody at their fly-in, the Bigfoot fly-in. But thanks for watching, man. This kid has been a fun. I look forward to getting many more flights, unless I do stupid, which I did today and got lucky. But there you have it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing and become part of Team Let's Go Flying.